Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. What a day. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market today. So here is the monthly chart. We were down 86 points today, so kind of blah. Look at that. We rejected the mid Bollinger. It's amazing how you can take out almost a half a month of candle these days, right, in the course of one day. Weekly chart. Right, big inside week so far, but watch out if we get a tail fail there off of this hammer. We might see some more downside on the market here. The real important thing is what happened here on the daily, right? So we were bullish until proven otherwise as we held this upward trend line, right? And you could even call it a channel if you put another line there. We broke down below this level, and now we broke down below the 80 EMA as well, and we're right at the 21 EMA. Okay, so this is a very important level to hold above. That's why this pivot right here is key, and the behavior of this pivot tomorrow is going to be important, right? So if we close bearishly below here with increased volume, let's take a look at SPY and just kind of show you the volume here. So larger volume today than yesterday, right? So if we close below this tomorrow with increased volume, that could be very bearish in the market, right? We might start attacking some of these gaps below, and then it's like, okay, here we go all over again, that type of stuff. So let's take a look at the S&P futures and see how they behaved here intraday today. So they gave us some nice setups, right? We had a good short at the open, or a good short in the morning here in the group. Let's pull this up here, 15-minute chart, so you can see exactly what happened right here. We have we opened up, right? It was just a bull trap into the open, right? And then had this inside 15 at the 15 orb high, just couldn't get any strength off of it. Broke down here. If you could just kind of put a geometric line just right there. And you can see how we broke down here out of the 15 orb below and started to work our way down. So it was a nice morning, and then we just got into the chop slop. I mean, there was a little bit of an opportunity. There was a 2B reversal right here, right? So we hit a fresh low of the day. That pierced it. So an entry here above this level is possible. It was a doji sandwich up intraday and got you back up, but you had to be very surgical with those type of trades. Then we came up to the 15 orb high, big upper shadow right here. I think it was a tweezer top on the 5-minute chart, and it ended up working its way down. So here's a look at the MES too. In fact, let's pull up the 5-minute here on the MES so you can kind of see those tweezers here. So, there we go. Yep, so right here is your tweezer tops right there, and they weren't the exact same height, but pretty good stuff, and you got a nice move off of that there too, considering that it was right at the 15 orb below. So it's pretty impressive moves right, but look at that, just some choppy mess right there. It wasn't as fun as yesterday, but the down move was nice this morning, so good job on that one. All right, good. So let's take a look here. Let's take a look at some other charts. We've got Apple here from today. So Apple, guys, pulling back here, right? So yesterday, upper shadow off of the cloud, hanging man up here, rejected the 50 moving average and pushed its way down from the 8 down to the 21 today. So decent down move on Apple today. Tesla finally given up a little bit today. So 60-point down move. Actually, pretty incredible down move on this one today if you look at it. So they didn't give us any an inside candle to work with, but big upper shadow at the open when it couldn't break out, and that just kind of plunged with the market. Right. Another one to take a look at too is Shop. Right. So Shop intraday was pretty significant too. Look at that, just about a full bearish engulfing candle. I love it when that real body engulfs the entire candle, but it came just above the lows right there, so it's kind of a little disappointing. I was hoping it'd be like a little bit more of a bearish move, but right here you just kind of have to wait for it. But again, today, look at it, it couldn't break above the 15 orb high. Right, and actually one of our members got a nice short on this one today. So inside 15 down as this broke down here today, and then a huge move down. I think they caught puts on it from like $7 to like $13. They ended up going to like $20. So really incredible move on Shop there today. So great job on that one as well. So other than that, we're starting to get some earnings coming out. So let's take a look and see what we have going on here. We've got Netflix tonight. So Netflix had a big spike there. Increased revenue, increased earnings, increased usage, and it's gone. It's back down again. So we'll see how that goes in the morning. That just kind of shows us how tired it's getting right there. But it is up a little bit here after hours, so that's a good thing. So Texas Instruments also reported as well, gave a little bit of a tick right there, and then kind of pulling back a little bit too. I think CMG, Chipotle just reported. I think they actually had a beat in revenue, but again, it's kind of going down a little bit here too. Beating earnings and kind of going down a little bit too. Possibly less people going out to restaurants, right? Imagine that. And then Snap. They should be reporting as well, and they're kind of spiking a little bit here too, so kind of see how Snap goes into tomorrow. So a couple ones to keep on the 15 orb list for tomorrow. Other than that, guys, that's all for today. I hope everybody did well, and we'll catch you guys later on the free YouTube live stream at 9:30 Eastern Time. Hope to see you guys there as we continue our discussion on gaps, and have a great rest of your afternoon and evening, and see you then. And stay healthy, and remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you soon.